Hello. So today I will show you how to fix the what we call injection, what we call ignition. How to check the ignition of coil. But now my car right now is the engine misfire and smelling gas, the unburned gas, and the engine is choking. As you can hear now, the engine is choking and misfire. So I'll show you how to check it. Oh, today is nice sunny day, but I cannot see it. My glasses. Okay. Okay, I turn the camera to that side. Now, as you can hear now, the engine is misfire and choking. It's not and it's smelly. So how to check it? I show you how to check it. Okay, check it and change it. So you take off the wire. This here, take off. If the engine is down, it's like going to be shut down. It mean it's working. But if when you take off the wire and the engine change nothing, it's meaning the coil is that one is not working. So I show you right now. You see, this one's working. This one's working. See? See? This one is working. And this one's not working. You see, you can see now the engine is nothing changed. Put back, same thing. Take out, same thing. So this one is not working anymore. It's dead. So you need to change it. Okay. So now you turn off the engine. I change it. Okay, I put the camera here. Okay, you can see me now. Okay. You see, because I changed it last year, but why it's only 1 year. It's not working. So now, okay. Yeah. You take this screwdriver. Take off one screw, and that's it. And this one, how come only 1 year, but it's not working? You see, I'm lucky I have an extra one. So I changed it last year, but I put a new one. I order from Amazon. You see now. See, I start. Going to start the car. So I start the cars. Hopefully my phone is not fall down. See now. Yeah. It's running smooth now. You see, after I change it 2 minutes and running smooth. So everyone just when you have the power, when you start the car, the engine jerking and misfires and sometimes send the smelling bad smell because the smell is unburned the gas. Because the engine, my car is a Dodge Journey 2010, so it's 4-cylinder. Because one of them is not working, it's not. So this one here, I just change it. So the engine is running smooth now. I show you now. You see that? It's meaning that is working. Okay? It's easy. Everyone easy. Yeah. Very easy to change. So don't put $400-500 in the garage. They just suck in your brush. Okay? So everyone have to. Well, I don't know if you want to go to the garage. It's okay. But for me, I save my money. I do it. I enjoy it. Now my car is running smoothly now. Okay. Bye everyone.